Hi YouTube, we're going to do a great song today called Summer Daze. It's by a group called Some Sprouts. Um, ooh, that's the verse and the chorus. Um, and we'll play them with bar chords, and then I'll show you some other easier ways, like in the open position. All right, so the verse is very simple. It's just D to A. And here's a simple way to play it that I think they may be using on the recording. They're just, I believe, using this F shape to play the A, and then they're playing the D just on with this A shape. So let me show you what I mean. The F shape comes from this chord down here that a lot of people learn when they first play guitar. We're just playing strings 4, 3, and 2. And we're going to play the index on the 5th fret, 2nd string, middle on the 6th fret, on the 3rd string, your G, and then your ring finger is going to be on your D string at the 7th. That's going to be your A. And then your D is just going to be this A shape that you play when you first learn chords. We're just going to move that up to the 7th fret. And we're going to play it just with our ring finger, kind of the side of our ring finger. We're going to try to tilt it towards the bridge. And we're going to just play strings 4, 3, and 2. That's how I think they're playing it, because there's a lot going on in the song, and you don't want to be playing the same frequencies as everybody else. And you try not to step on the vocals or the drums or the bass. You're just playing rhythm. Okay, and then moving on to the chorus, I played an E. And I think actually they're just playing arpeggios on the chords. So that's an E bar chord. Then we play a F sharp minor. And we go to a B minor. A. Sharp minor, B minor, and then we go right back into ooh. All right, and when you're playing that rhythm guitar this way, you're just flattening your ring finger for the D chord. All right, now let's learn to play it in the open position. So I'm kind of doing some muting on the offbeat. I'm pressing down my fingers and releasing them. And then have to keep your picking or strumming tight just to those strings. You want to get that sound. By the way, I'm using a clean sound, American kind of clean sound, and Fender kind of clean sound, and I got a lot of reverb on. So there's your the verse, and then for the chorus, kind of works nice to play the arpeggios here. And then we're going to play the F sharp, basically on the bottom 3 strings. We're going to just bar strings 3, 2, 1. I'm not going to get into why we're going to do that, but that's just what we're going to do. That's the F sharp minor. Just play the top 3 strings. And then for our B minor, we're going to just take our A minor shape. I'm going to slide it up to the 3rd fret. And we're just going to play strings 4, 3, 2. And then we're going to go to our A. Yeah, the reason we're going to just the top 3 strings for the F sharp minor, because it sounds so similar to the A that we're trying to accent strings to make them sound differently. Summer conversations go on around me. I don't give an F. Love this song. It's a lot of fun. So just try to have fun with it. And any kind of lead guitar notes you hear mixed in, they do a couple of riffs. They're coming right out of the chords. They're just chord notes. So they're arpeggios. All right. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Helps keep the man off my back. All right. Bye-bye.